Hills, Congress party is still there. Okay, with one candidate also, we have decided to fight in coming election. So if you think that way, we have 24 constituency with one Congress MLA, you mean to ask me. It depends on the voters. It doesn't depend on the leaders. Whether you have more MDCs or MLAs, but it is different dynamics in the election. So really, you cannot say ki they have more MLAs, MDCs, you will get more votes. It is not like that in the election. It depends on the voters. So we are gearing up our election activities in Garo Hills. We have visited all district headquarters. We have district presidents, block presidents, polling stations presidents. So we together as a team, we work in the grassroots level. Now people want to change. They want to change. They want to bring different leader from Garo Hills. He's one hero today, lone lion in Garo Hills. He's lone MLA, you all know. So we thought he will be the fittest person to fight in this election. That's what he's doing. He has gone to each and every places, meeting people, leaders. So a good response from Garo Hills.